We're talking about solving radical equations. To define that, a radical equation is an equation with a square root or a cube root, or it could even be bigger, like a fourth root or a fifth root. To get rid of a square root in an equation, all you need to do is square it. So start out with our first example. We need to first try to get our square root sign by itself. So I'm going to add 7 on each side of my equation. And I'm left with the square root of 7x minus 3 equals positive 2. So now that I got my square root by itself, I'm going to square each side of that equation. And that will leave me with 7x minus 3 equals 4. Then I can go ahead and add 3 to each side. And I get 7x equals 7. Divide by 7 on each side, and I'm left with x equals positive 1. And that's my answer. So all we're doing here is we're just trying to solve for x. All right, second example, very similar. We're going to start by moving that 10 to the other side of the equation, and I'm left with the square root of 2x plus 12 equals 2. I'm ready to square each side now, and I'm left with 2x plus 12 equals 4. And then I just want to try to get x by itself. So I need to subtract 12 on each side. And I get 2x equals negative 8. Divide by 2. And I get x equals negative 4 for my answer. And that's all you have to do to solve these radical equations.